Hello, welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today, I want to share a very delicious kebab recipe with you. It's known as orman kebabı in Turkey, which means forest kebab. So let's start. I take a quarter of a teacup of oil into the pressure cooker. After the oil is hot, let's take 400 grams of meat on it. I used veal cubes. Let's cook it for a few minutes on high fire. Let's turn down the stove later. Close the lid of the pot and cook it on low heat for 5 minutes to release its broth. Look, as you can see, it released the broth. If your meat has not released enough juice, you can add half a teacup of hot water on it. I didn't add. Let's close the lid of the pressure cooker and adjust it to the second setting. After the whistle of the pressure cooker blows, let's cook it on low heat for 20 minutes. Look, at the end of 20 minutes, my meat is cooked and absorbed the juice. I want to continue the cooking process in my griddle pan. I took my meat into my pan. Let's add 1 medium cubed carrots on it and roast for a few minutes. Then, let's chop 1 large-sized onion and add it. Let's roast it like this for a few minutes. Now I'm gonna add 2-3 cloves of finely chopped garlic. After mixing for a few seconds, let's add a tablespoon of flour on it. Let's roast the flour by mixing it for a few minutes. I add approximately 1 cup of cold water to it, so that there are no lumps due to the flour. Let's mix it well. Then I add 2 cups of hot water to it. Let's close the lid of our pot and cook it for about 10 minutes on low heat. Meanwhile, let's cut 2 medium-sized potatoes into cubes and fry them in hot oil. Just fry it until it turns slightly pinkish. Then get the potatoes on a paper towel or a napkin. At the end of 10 minutes, let's add the fried potatoes to our dish. I used 1 small bowl of canned peas. We can say about 1 teacup. Let's add enough salt and black pepper to it. Let's mix it and close the lid of our pot again and cook it on low heat for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's melt a tablespoon of butter. We are gonna add a full dessert spoon of thyme and mix for a few seconds. Then we are gonna take it from the stove. Now we are gonna pour the thyme butter mixture over our cooked meal at the end of 10 minutes. Let's mix it well and take it from the stove. Then we can cover the lid of our pan again and let it rest for about 15-20 minutes and then serve it. Our very delicious forest kebab is now ready for service. You can serve it with rice. I recommend you try it too. I hope you will try and like it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. If you liked my video, please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.